What does it mean when Americans say, bite the bullet? کاتێک ئەمریکیەکان ئەڵێن فیشەکەکە بگرە. مانای چییە؟ If you want to understand this American idiom, then you are in the right place. با دەست پێ بکەین, let's get started. You might hear English speakers in films or online say that you need to bite the bullet. But what does this phrase mean and where does it come from? The first recorded use of this phrase is from the author Rudyard Kipling in 1891. ڕۆمانێک لە ساڵی 1891 یەکەم جار بوو کە ئەم دەستەواژەیە تۆمار کرا. But we don't know exactly where it came from before that. The most common explanation is that it came from doing medical operations on soldiers who were injured in battle. بەهەستە خانەی جەنگ سەری هەڵدا کاتێک سەربازێک ئەمەلیاتی هەبوو بەبێ دەرمانی ئازا. If the doctor didn't have any medicine to take the pain away, he might give the soldier something to bite on while he was cutting him. Old bullets were made of the metal lead, and so they would bend a little if you bit them. The doctor would tell the soldier that he needed to bite the bullet, that he needed to face something very difficult, having surgery with no pain medicine. Today, to bite the bullet means to do something difficult even when you don't want to. جێبەجێکردنی شتێکی قورسە تەنانەت ئەگەر ناتەوێت وا بکەیت. For example, you might say, I'm gonna bite the bullet and go to the dentist even though I hate it. Or, you need to bite the bullet and take that job that you don't like. You need the money. Or, you need to bite the bullet and tell that girl that you like her. In all of these situations and others like them, this idiom means to make yourself do something that you don't want to do. Or it means that you are brave in a difficult situation. For example, he bit the bullet and told his boss that his anger towards his employees was not professional. Huragyan and Khalagyan. What are some situations where you had to bite the bullet? Or are you facing a situation now where you need to bite the bullet, but you don't want to? Aya esta tushi bardokhet. If this is the first time that you learned about this American idiom, then be sure to watch my other videos about American idioms. Agar ama yakam jar bû ka am destawajê fêr bûyit, لەبیرت ناچێت سەیری ڤیدیۆکانی ترم بکە دەربارەی دەستەواژەی ئەمریکی. هەڵبت ساخ بێت، پورە و خاڵەگیان. I don't want to end this video now, but I should bite the bullet and say goodbye. So until tomorrow, hata sabeni, Hafiz.